Hello everyone, we are learning factorization and today we'll see another problem. Factorize by taking out the common factors. Alright, so this is the question that you see on your screen. Let's see how to solve this. Now in the question you see that there are two common, taking 2x minus 5y common from both the terms. Alright, so we will take a common value, that is 2x minus 5y from both the terms. Alright, this is your first term and the other one is the second term separated by minus sign. Now, which value are we taking as common? 2x minus 5y in the bracket, the curved bracket. Now this is common value, okay, for both the terms, so we have separated it. Now the first term, 2x minus 5y into, right, so we have separated it, 2 into 3x plus 4y minus the second term would be 6 into x minus y in brackets. Right, now if you see it carefully, that 2x minus 5y is the value which is common between both the terms and we have separated it, right, because that is the common value. Now when we solve it further, we will expand or we will open the brackets. 2 into 3x is 6x plus 2 into 4 is 8 and y, 8y, minus 6x is 6x, minus into minus is plus, that will be 6y. Right, this is what we get after we have opened the brackets. Let's see if we have any uncommon terms here. If there are uncommon terms, we can cancel it. Yeah, there are two uncommon terms, right, plus 6x and minus 6x, so we'll cancel that. 2x minus 5y in brackets into 8y plus 6y, this is what is left. So 2x minus 5y, and when we add, because those two are common terms, 8y plus 6y, how much do we get? 14y, right, and that's why the answer would be 2x minus 5y in brackets into 14y. 14y is a single term, so we can write it outside the bracket. Okay, that's why I have removed the bracket of 14y. This is the answer. It's quite simple. You have to go through it again to understand it. Okay, now let us solve some more problems. Factors by grouping method. We have done this before, but today we will also see other forms of questions. There are two problems we'll be solving. Let's see how to solve the first question. We'll write down the expression which is given. A cube plus a minus 3a square minus 3. What is common? We'll group them first, right? The first group is a cube plus a. Okay, and what is common in these two terms? A is common, right? And the second group is 3a square minus 3. What is common here? Three. Right, the value 3 is common in the second group. All right, so what is our next step? We'll write the common terms outside the bracket, right? That will be a in brackets, a into a square will be a cube plus a into 1 will be a minus the common value there is 3 in the second group. 3 into a square is 3a square, minus into plus will be minus, right? And 3 ones are 3. Now you see that we have got common terms, right? So we'll write the common term as 1. That would be a square plus 1 in brackets, and then the second term that we have found, which is a minus 3. So this is your answer, a square plus 1 in brackets into a minus 3 in brackets. All right, I hope you have understood this. Now we will see how to solve the second question. We'll write down the given expression, that is 16 into in brackets a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. Okay, look into this problem very carefully as I am explaining you how to solve this. 16 into a plus b whole square minus 4a minus 4b. What is common between these two? Right? The common value here is 4. So we can write it as 4 into a is 4a, minus into plus is minus, 4 into b is 4b. Right? So the second set we have found it as 4 into a plus b in brackets. Now 16 is a perfect square, right? This is the explanation how to solve 16 into a plus b whole square. Like I said, that 16 is a perfect square of 4. 4 is a 16. So we can write it as 4 into a plus b in brackets, and using curly bracket we will write it as whole square. Right, so we'll just write this value here, 4 into a plus b in curved bracket, and using curly bracket we write it as whole square. Now why do we write it? Because when you simplify it, when you expand it, you get it as 16 into a plus b whole square, right? Minus 4 into a plus b in brackets. Now this is what I want you to understand. Alright, it might seem a little complicated, but it's not complicated. Once you understand it, it will be very easy to solve any problem of this kind. Now you remember here that we have got two sets of 4 into a plus b, right, in the first term. So what we'll do is we will separate the common. What is common? 4 into a plus b, right? And like I said, in the first term we have got 4 into a plus b. So 4 into a plus b into 4 into a plus b, we will get it as the first term, which is 4 into a plus b curly bracket whole square, minus, from where do we get that 1? 4 into a plus b into 1 will be 4 into a plus b, that is the second term, right? And so we get the answer as 4 into a plus b curly brackets 4 into a plus b minus 1. Okay, I hope you have understood. Keep practicing, go through the video to understand it, and keep learning.